Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to learn how to add hyperlinks in Canva. You will get a clickable document. So let's get started. I have a already made presentation here. I will add the links here and will show you. This is the basic presentation. You can add links in your presentation or any other purpose you are using it. So this is my presentation and I want to add links in it. So how would I do it? So firstly I will click on this and I will go to these three dots. Now you will get the option link, and in this you have to enter your URL or any link you want to do. I'm going to add my YouTube URL. I have copied my YouTube URL. Now I will paste it here by Ctrl V and you have to click on done. Now this is our link and you have to click it on done and see this YouTube will become a clickable link. Remove the underline also from here, or you can add it, or you can make any other changes you like. So if I want to add another links like my Instagram link or my courses link, it is just a dummy. I'm just telling you how to add the links so that wherever you want to add it, you can easily make it. So if I want someone see this Instagram text and click here, I want that person should redirect it to my Instagram page. Here I have to add the link. Again, the same procedure we will continue. Like click on this and then three dots and then link, and in this link you have to add your Instagram URL. Here I got it, Ctrl V, done. Now similarly you can add many other links, as much as link you want to add. So we have got our third link also. I have used some random video link and I will done it. So all these are clickable links. If you don't want this link or you want to edit the link, then simply just click on it. You will get this pencil icon and here you can change the link or you can delete it or remove it also by clicking on this trash button. And the main thing is, if you download it in PNG format or JPG format, it will not work. It will only work in a presentation mode when you are giving the presentation using Canva, or you are sharing the link using Canva, or simply you can use the PDF. This standard PDF format. In this format also it is a clickable links. Now I will show you. I will download this in PDF standard format so that I will get the clickable link formats. Now I will download it. See, this is our downloaded PDF. This is the downloaded form in PDF standard format. Now we want that if we click on this YouTube, we should redirect it to our YouTube channel or the link we have provided. So let's see whether it works or not. This is the PDF standard format. Now I will click to YouTube. See, will redirect it to the given URL, that is our YouTube channel. If I click on the Instagram, let's see. Yeah, it will redirect it to our Instagram page. We will check our third link also, and I am clicking here. Will redirect it to this URL of my video which I added it. Like this, you can add your clickable hyperlinks in Canva to any of your designs or any of your stuffs easily and smoothly. Please do subscribe, like and comment down if you really like my content. Stay tuned for many such amazing stuff. Thank you.